Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. The ingredients you're going to need are 2 bowls, 1.5 cups of water, a plastic spoon, about 7 ounces of glue, food coloring, and a tablespoon of borax. First, in one bowl, you're going to put in 1/2 cup of water, and your glue, then you're going to put in 8 drops of food coloring. Today I'm going to be using green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then you're going to mix that up. And then in the other bowl, you're going to put in your 1 cup of water, and your tablespoon of borax. And then you're going to mix in the 2 liquids. And then you're just going to want to knead it with your hands. And this is what it looks like when you're kneading it, so that way you know it's going to work. Probably will work, most likely will. And I have a pre-made one down here, so I'm going to get that one out. Then it should end up looking like this, so kind of stretchy and cool looking. So that's how you make your slime.